Did you already finish the book?
Yeah. I don't know.
Anthony spoiled the Yeah. Same. What's it like? It's like a feel that thing.
It's all bad. We just kind of ended it. You monster.
How many pages?
You just walked away.
Like 4 pages.
Yep. Did it wrong. It's like 4:30.
I don't know. I saw one.
I'm playing GeoGuessr and complaining about you on Tumblr. What? Yes. Okay. Maybe Twitter. And could you come here, please? I'm playing GeoGuessr. I'm in America because there's a holiday Inn right there.
How do you know it's not Euro?
Uh,
How do you know it's not your mom? Oh, God. Your hands in front of my mom. I'm about to laugh.
Bro, it's literally Indiana. Look, there's a Gold's Pro Shop. It's literally Indiana.
That's Lucas Oil.
It's Indianapolis. It's Lucas Oil.
That's Lucas Oil.
I think they're
Yeah,
watching you.
I know. That's what I'm saying.
It's
They're watching
Wednesday.
you.
What? It's Wednesday.
You didn't.
No, it's not Wednesday. I heard it's Wednesday.
Oh my God.
Okay, got that one.
The answer is 7.
There's 4.
Stop
There's 7?
switching my watch.
Okay.
Yes.
Probably like Illinois.
Stop switching my watch. That's it.
Bald eagles? I don't know if they're bald eagles.
I'm so frightened.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Exactly.
So frightened.
Why they're bald.
Bald eagles on ball.
They're catching up on this car, man. Well, define bald.
Why do they call bald eagles?
Because it looks like they're bald.
Because they are bald.
But they aren't.
I don't know where I am on my
They have no
GeoGuessr
hair.
map.
Okay, it's time.
I have big hands.
It's time to get going with example 4. Let's go, guys. Okay? In your groups. Discuss strategy. Okay?
Okay, so we have to do. I have no idea.
We went over this for the answer last time.
Well, all the are real, like,
I mean, this might be easier. I'll be quicker. Emily's idea of multiplying them, and I like that one. Looks like the entire equation number 1.
Why not work?
Because it doesn't what's my color.
Okay. Did we end up discussing this one last time?
I remember
No.
we did answer it, but
No, we didn't.
Okay. We did? We did.
No.
We did.
No,
Okay.
we did at the very
We did.
end.
Okay. All right. That's fine. Go over it now. That's okay.
Wait, yeah, I do the answer. Funny.
Okay. Thoughts? Want to share? Thoughts? How can you solve for x and how can you solve for y? Sadie, what are you thinking?
I said you could multiply the top one by 3 and the bottom one by -4.
Why would that work?
What?
Why would that work?
Because it would get the x's to 24 and -24.
Okay. And then you can eliminate, right? All right. So the difference of this one is that right out of the gate, you don't have opposite coefficients and you don't have multiples. Like 8 is not a multiple of 6 and 5 is not a multiple of 7 and vice versa. Okay? So in that case, what do? You create multiples. You create opposite coefficients. Okay? So you have a little bit more a little bit more option here, because you have about 4 different ways you can do this, maybe even 8. Okay, but as long as you do it correct way, I can fault you for that, and I'll give you more better for it. Okay? Say you told us one correct way. All right. There's another one. You could eliminate y if you wanted to. Okay? How could you eliminate y?
You multiply the first equation by 5 and the second equation by -7.
And if you want to, you could reverse what gets negative. What you could reverse what the term is negative. Okay? Just like on what Sadie said, you could reverse what term is negative on that one too. All right? It doesn't matter which way you do it. All right? As long as you're showing me the correct way, we're good to go. So this is a level 3 because you have to manipulate both equations to get opposite coefficients. So you've had an example where it's already done for you in the system. You've had an example where you multiply one equation by a number, a factor to get opposite coefficients, and now you have an example where you can do both of them. Okay? Doing this by substitution would be a real pain in the you-know-what, so do not do substitution on this kind of problem. Okay? Also, I would avoid dividing, okay, or multiplying by fractions. Okay? To get this to work out, I would always try to multiply by integers to get this to work out. And it just makes it a little bit easier to work with. Okay? Questions for me? All right, I'm just going to take you through the presentation here, okay, and see what we got. And then once the presentation is done, we're done. All right. So I don't know how many other examples I have per se on this, but we'll just get through it and see what happens. So we're going to multiply equation 1 by 5 and equation 2 by -7. Okay, up here on the screen. Sadie's way works just fine as well. Okay. You would eliminate x instead of eliminating y. That's the only thing. Okay. So here's what we're going to do. So we're going to multiply equation 1 by 5. There's my 5s. Here are the terms. 40x, -35y, -15. Everybody okay with those three? Multiplying every term by 5. Okay. And then equation 2 by -7. Okay. You get these terms. -42x, 35y, and 7. Okay. So if you rewrite both equations, you get a new system. Boom. Okay? Everybody good with that? Okay. Now it's just like the other couple of days. Solve it. All right? You guys know how to solve it by now. You guys are pros at this. Okay? Questions for me? Okay. Excuse me. So we're going to get it set up to solve here. Add up your x's. You get -2x. The y's cancel because they're opposites. Okay. And then -15 plus 7 is -8. Put your equal sign between them. Everybody okay with that? And you don't have to do it this way. It's just one option for you. Okay. Solve this equation for x. Divide both sides by -2. What's x, everybody? X is equal to 4. Good. Okay. You guys know how to get y, right? Yeah, you guys are doing that just fine. Now, my suggestion though for this is use the original numbers. Okay. If you can use the original numbers, they're going to be smaller. It's going to be a little bit easier to manipulate probably. Okay, so use the original numbers for when you go to plug back in instead of the one you modified. All right, does that make sense? Guys, you know how to solve a system by graphing now, by substitution, and by elimination. That's it. That's all there is to it. Okay, so you'll have a problem of each on your assessment, and then one where you get a free choice. Okay, or actually maybe more than one where you have free choice. We're going to use equation 1 here to solve for x, or solve for y, I meant. Okay, so I get 32 minus 7y equals -3. Subtract my 32 from each side. When I divide by -7, I get y equals what? Bingo. Okay? So x is 4 and y is 5, I believe, right? Yes. Okay? Questions? I can't make it any harder. The only thing that can make this harder is if the numbers are just nasty. That's the only thing that can make it harder. Method
You
it
won't
can
do that to us, right?
Well, I don't know. You know me. No. Look, if you can solve the ones that I have here on the screen for your homework, I'll be just fine. Okay? I'm not gonna make it any harder than that. All right? There's no point. Okay? The point is knowing the method. If you know the method, it doesn't matter what I give you, you can solve it. Right? So I'm not worried about the numbers being really nasty to work with. I'm not like that. Okay? I don't like to sit there at my desk and go, I don't know what numbers. I'm gonna make these numbers really nasty to work with. I don't do that. Okay? I got better things to do with my time. Any questions? Why don't you guys try another one here real fast, okay? Give this one a go. All right, you guys in a good place to talk to your group mates about the answers? Any more time? More time. Okay, more time. Take it. Okay. Hold on. All right, well, you guys start talking about with your group mates, okay?
I got y equals 3x equals 2.
I keep getting really weird corrections.
Y equals 3x.
Oh, I made a mistake too. I figured out my mistake. I was plugging in the wrong place. Okay.
That's right. Wait, what? What's right? You did something wrong. You did something.
All right, let's talk about it together. Who can help me? Who can help me? Okay. So I haven't talked to you yet today. Wyatt, you helped me get started here. What did you do?
So, to start off, on the top one, I multiplied it by 5, and then on the bottom, I multiplied for x. I multiplied everything by 5 on the top and everything on the bottom by -2.
Because you're eliminating x.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. And when I solved it, I multiplied equation 1 by 2 and equation 2 by 3. Okay, to eliminate y. So either way, okay, you can there's multiple ways you can work these out. Okay. So equation 1 becomes 10x minus 15y equals -25, and equation 2 becomes -10x minus 4y equals -32. When you add these together, x's cancel out. You get -19y equals -57. Okay? And you divide. And fortunately for us, y equals 3. Okay? Thank you, Wyatt, for your help. Okay. Show me on your fingers which equation you want to use to find x, 1 or 2. Show me on your hand. 1 or 2? Quick survey. I see more 2s than 1s, I think. Okay? So we'll use 2. So 5x plus 2 times 3 equals 16. 5x plus 6 equals 16. 5x equals 10. Divided by 5. X equals 2. X equals 2. Y equals 3. How's it going, guys? Okay? They can handle this? Good. On Monday, we're going to look at some story problems. Okay? Something to look forward to after a nice weekend, right? Good old algebra story problems. Everybody's favorite, right? Okay. Well, we did. Oh, that's it. Hey, we're done. Okay? Maybe we'll do one now.
We should play a game.
Yeah.
No, we should start.
We just work on our homework.
Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
Can we work on our homework or play a game?
We don't need
No, homework. We love homework. How come we do it?
Yeah, we should have them on the